Okay, we can start with lens formula right now. If Rudra or Safia will join, then I will go for power of lens. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
So lens formula is this for just like it was the mirror formula 1 by V plus 1 by U is equal to 1 by F. This was the mirror formula, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, this was the mirror formula. And for lens formula, it is 1 by V minus 1 by U is equal to 1 by F. Okay, lens formula just we have minus in between 1 by V and 1 by U. Okay, sign
Okay, ma'am.
convention will be like that only. V will be always, sorry, U will be always taken as negative. Okay, and yes, it is the same. And for concave lens, yes, and for concave lens, focal length we will take as negative. Okay, focal length we will take as negative, and for convex lens we take focal length as positive. Okay, for here we have convex lens. Okay, and focal length is this. We take focal length of convex lens as positive. For convex lens positive, and for concave lens focal length as negative. So these will be the formula. The first, just 1 by V minus 1 by U is equal to 1 by F. And second one is for magnification. And in magnification, we have like first formula is for 1 by V minus 1 by U is equal to 1 by F. And for, sorry. Yes. And for magnification, it's HI upon HO and V upon U. For concave, for mirror, what we used to do, 1 by V plus 1 by U is equal to 1 by F, and M is equal to minus HI upon HO minus V upon U. But here we'll take simple V upon U, and in this mirror lens formula, we'll take 1 by V minus 1 by U is equal to 1 by F. Okay, for lens. Now we'll do the questions, and for we'll write here. U will always be taken as negative, as already we usually take U is equal to U negative. Why? Because we place the object in the left side of the mirror. Okay. Hello, Rudra. You joined so late. Usually, why do you get free from school at this time or something?
No, ma'am. Studying for my exams.
Yes.
Ma'am, I was studying for my exams.
Studying from?
Ma'am, I was studying for my exams.
Okay, studying for your exams. When is your exam?
Ma'am, Monday.
Monday. Okay. And for this, we'll do some of the questions we already did in the last class, and you can, Shazan, also ask for the video that because the lecture are being recorded now, so you can ask for the recordings of the last video, last lecture also. Okay, whichever lecture we missed, you can ask for that lecture. Okay, you'll get that.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, and let me just explain what this question reads. An object is placed 27 centimeter in front of a concave lens. And object is placed, so U will be equal to minus 25. Okay, of a concave focal length 25 centimeters, so F will be minus 25 centimeter. Lens formula is this. Find the location and nature of the image. So where the image will be formed. So using the formula, using the lens formula, we can easily find V. Okay, so V will be found as V has been found as V is equal to minus 12.5 centimeter. Means it will be in it will form left side of the lens. Okay, left side of the lens. Nature of the image, how will be the nature? Always concave lens always makes virtual images of the object, and virtual images are always erect, and it's on the same side of the lens. Okay, and it will be diminished. Fine, diminished. We can also find why this will be diminished, as M is equal. We can find M is equal to V by U. So V will be minus 12.5, as already we calculated. So U is 25. U is 25. It will be very smaller than this. Means like we can, if we are going to cancel this out, then we can get 0.5. Means minus 0.5. It will be minus. Sorry, U will be also negative, so it will become plus. So plus 0.5 magnification will be. This plus sign will denote what? This plus sign, the sign of magnification denotes what? Whether it will be erect or inverted. So if this is plus sign, so it means that this will be erect. It will be above the x-axis. Okay, it will be above the x-axis. And 0.5 is less than 1. It means it is half of the 1. So M will be So we'll say that the images are formed is diminished. Okay, is half of that object. Okay, is it fine? And likewise, we can do another question. Everything is given here. 5 centimeter tall object. So HO is equal to 5 centimeters placed perpendicular to the principal axis of a convex lens of focal length 20 centimeter plus 20. F is equal to, and distance of the object from the lens is minus 30, means U is equal to minus 30. So we can easily find V. V will be how much is found to be 60. Okay, after calculating. So V is equal to 60 centimeter, and then we'll find the magnification, because it's saying position, nature, and size of the image form. So size of the image form will be how much? Already the size of the object is given. So M will be equal to HI by HO is equal to V by U. So it is saying it is asking for size of the image form. Already object size is given, and even magnification we don't know. So we have two formulas for magnification: HI by HO and V by U. So we'll equate these. HI by HO is equal to V by U. These two will equate. Okay, we are knowing this HO, we are knowing V, we are knowing U, we are knowing. Okay, these three quantities we are knowing, and this is the unknown quantity HI. So HI can be calculated if three of them are known. Okay, it's found to be minus 10 centimeter. It means image is real, inverted, and magnified. Okay, magnified why? Because it was 5 centimeter earlier. The object was 5 centimeter, and the image is found to be how much? 10 centimeter. Okay, and it's in minus, so minus means it will be inverted. Okay, is it fine? Likewise, we'll do these questions. We'll discuss this assignment paper also in this class after this power of lens. So power of lens is what? Power of lens is the actually the when we get like myopic eye or something like hypermetropic eye, if we are unable to see far away objects, or if we are unable to see clearly near objects, then we get what? Power. Okay, true. So that the images of the image of so that we can capture the light ray in between before it gets strike with the actual lens, means our eye lens. Okay, we place an extra lens, means that is called specs. Okay, and also lenses lens come also we use lens in our direct in our eyes inside. So it actually captures the light rays before it gets strike to our main lens of the eye. Okay, it makes the images it makes the images accordingly, means if we are unable to see the faraway objects. Okay, so we get the power concave lens, means we get negative power. Which power do you have, Shazan?
Ma'am,
Negative or positive?
ma'am, negative.
Negative means you have myopia problem, right? Same is with me, myopia problem. Okay, means the faraway objects cannot be seen clearly. Okay, faraway objects cannot be seen clearly. So we get concave lens, and for concave lens, power is negative. F is negative, so power will be negative. Why? Because F is negative, so power will be in negative. Why? Because the formula for power is what? 1 by F. It's just 1 by F. If it is in meter, if F is given in meter, and if it is given in centimeter, if focal length is given in centimeter, then what it is? Then the power of length, power of the then power of the lens will be how much? 100 by F in centimeter. And the unit for power is what? Diopter. Is what? Unit for power is diopter, represented by D. Okay, meter per meter. Okay, it is a power of the lens is nothing but the ability of a lens to converge or diverge light rays is called the power of the lens. Okay, it can also be defined as the reciprocal of focal length. Okay, reciprocal of focal length. Now for combination of lenses, if there are more than one lenses, like one or two or three lenses, more than two or three lenses, so we will just simply do what? Add them all. 1 by F is equal to 1 by F1 plus 1 by F2 and so on. Means power will be how much? P1 plus P2 plus P3 and so on. Okay, it will be the combination of lenses, means if more than one lenses are placed one by one. Then what we do, we just simply add them. P is equal to P1 plus P2 plus P3. What how whatever be the focal length of the lenses. Okay, so it will be like focal length will be like 1 by f is equal to 1 by f1 plus 1 by f2. So 1 by f is what? P. 1 by f is p. So p will be equal to p1 plus p2. So it will be the combination of lenses. Okay, and for the magnification of the lens in combination, what will be the magnification then? So magnification will be how much? M1 into M2 into M3, whatever be the magnification. So it will get multiplied. Okay, it will get multiplied. Now here these three we have known, three not, this power, this formula power is equal to 1 by f, and second is p is equal to p1 plus p2 plus and so on, and this m is equal to m1 into m2 into so on. Okay, these three will be the formula, and these are the derived one. This actually is the you can also say that this also is a formula. 1 by f is equal to 1 by f1 plus 1 by f2 for if we want to calculate focal length of several, means it's given for two or three focal length of two or three focal length, and we have to find the combination of focal length, and then we can use this formula. And if we want to know about the power, if it's asked for power, then we can use this formula. After once we will first we have to find p1 for f1 by f1, then p2 for 1 by f2, then we can add all these powers to get the combination of powers. Okay, so this what this question is: a convergent lens of power 8d, T is given as 8d, is combined with a divergent lens of power minus 8d. It is combined with the power of minus 8d. Okay, this is your divergent lens, this is your convergent lens, this is your convex lens, and this is your concave lens. Okay, so calculate the power of combination. What will be the power of combination then? P is equal to how much? This p1 plus p2, p1 plus p2. So p1 is what? 8d. Sorry, minus 10d. It is 10d, minus 10d. 8d and plus minus 10d. It means minus 10d. It will be how much? Minus 2 diopter. Okay, minus 2 diopter. Okay, and what will be the focal length of the combination? P is what? P is what? It's 1 by f, right? P is what? 1 by f. So it will be, f will be equal to 1 by p. So we already are having the formula, the power that is minus 2d. So it will be 1 upon minus 2. Okay, so how much it will be? It will be minus 0.5, minus 0.5, how much? Meter. Okay, because we have taken as 1 by p, not 100. Okay, so 1 by p, and if we are going to multiply this by 100, then we will get as 50 centimeter, minus 50 centimeter. F is equal to minus 50 centimeter. Okay, do you get that? Here we have the assignment to discuss. So this, have you got these assignments yet or not? I think not. 5.1, 2.2. Yes, this assignment has not been given. So next will be your this assignment only. Okay, here it's also written as which formula is going to be used in the question. Okay, up till question number 6, this formula will get used. These four formula. Okay, and from question number 7, these formula will get used. Mirror formula and the power formula for power. Okay, here refractive indices formula. Now we can discuss any question like we can start. Okay, which question do you want me to? Question number 1. Should we start question number 1? Let's see what it is. Refractive index of diamond with respect to glass. It means we can write it like refractive index of diamond with respect to glass. We'll write as such. Okay, this is given as 1.6, and the absolute refractive index of the glass is glass is given as absolute, means with respect to air. So we need not to mention this. Refractive index of glass is 1.5, and we have to find it for diamond. For what will be the refractive index of diamond? So writing the formula, what it is? Mu of diamond upon mu of glass, right? This is the formula. Mu to, see here it's written, either you write mu or you write n. So refractive index of 2 with respect to 1 will be equal to refractive index of 2 and upon refractive index of 1. Okay, refractive index of 2 upon refractive index of 1. So here refractive index of D with respect to G will be equal to refractive index of D by refractive index of G. Okay, so what it's given? It's given mu D we have to find, and we are given this and this. So 1.6, we can take mu G to this side. It will be into 1.5. So how much it will be? Mu D will be how much? 1.6, 1.5. How much it will be? Will it be 2.4? Will it be 2.4? Okay. This we have got as refractive index of diamond as 2.4. Okay. Let's see fifth question. A ray of light strikes a glass slab at an angle of incidence equal to 30 degree. So angle of incidence is given as 30 degree. Find the refractive index of glass such that the angle of refraction is 19.5 degree. We have to find refractive index. Now refractive index is what? Sin I by sin R. Is it so? Sin I by sin R? Yes. Refractive index is sin I by sin R. Okay. So we have sin I as sin 30 on sin 19.5. As you are already knowing, sin 30 is 0.5, right? 1 by 2. Sin 30 is 1 by 2. Okay, so we'll take it 1 by 2, and it's already given in the question. Take sine 19.5 as 1 by 3. So it will be 1 by 3. 3 will go to the numerator and 1 will go to the denominator. So it will be 3 by 2, which will be 1.5. Mu will be equal to 1.5. Okay, is it 1.5? Yes, 1.5. Okay, here in this question, it's given a figure and figure is not given. I think there must be some. Okay, we can go for another question. Which question? Which question should we do? 11th. Okay, let's do 11th question. Okay. Find the position, nature, and size of the image formed by a convex lens of focal length. This is 11th question. Focal length, how much? 18 centimeter. This will be in positive. Of an object, height of object is 3 centimeter. Placed at a distance of 27 from it. Means we are given u as minus 27 centimeter. Okay. This is given as u, no? Image formed by the, yes, this is given as u. So what we have to find? Position, nature, and size of the image formed. Okay. So we can find this 1 by f is equal to 1 by v minus 1 by u. We can find position first using this formula. After finding v, what we have to do? You yourself do these questions. After finding v, we have to find the formula. We have to use the formula for magnification. We have hi upon ho is equal to v upon u. We will be knowing about v. Okay, we will be knowing about v. Hi, no, we will be knowing about, yes, we will be knowing about v, u, and ho. So all we need to find hi then. Okay, now find out hi and this v. First find v, and then using the formula, this formula, equate these two, then find hi. Fine. Rudra, Safia, and Shazan, everyone. Done?
No, ma'am.
Only two formulas are to be used. And it's not done till yet. Till where you reached? Safia and Rudra, are you doing? Safia and Rudra, are you doing?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Are you getting stuck anywhere? Have you found V? Have you found V?
No, ma'am.
Then what are you doing?
No, writing.
15 minutes, what are you doing? Just you need to put the values in this formula. We are running out of time. So please tell me your answer.